Today is May 27th. It's a Wednesday, 5 p.m. Pacific time, and it's a special day. USCIS just sent out an email confirming that their plan is to start opening things up for USCIS on June 4th. So what does that mean? First of all, you have to realize, excuse me, USCIS is not the Department of State or the embassy system. So we're not sure, it's not clear when the embassies are going to open up again for interviews or what's going on with that. So that's first thing. Secondly, they said they're going to start opening up offices. In the way that they said it, it doesn't mean that they're all going to open up. So you may see some offices not be open, for example in New York, maybe because there's more sick people there, but maybe in Texas and Florida it will be open. We don't know, they're not clear yet as to how that system is going to work out. Secondly, they're going to have less people coming in to take precautions for social distancing and the like, so there's going to be a backlog. So although they'll open it up and people will get interviews, there's less people going in to do the interview, which means it's going to take longer to process a case. So it's really important to keep that stuff in mind. And finally, the most important thing is it doesn't matter if they say they're open or not. When you get an appointment notice, that's when you know your case is there. So you can't ask, oh, when is my case going to come up? There's no way to know. Their algorithms and their computer system choose who's next in line, or the field office officer, when they're ready for your case and they have the space, they're going to come and send you an interview notice to come and do your interview. So that's the best that we can do. Don't expect much more than that. It's just wait your turn. It'll happen. It's unfortunate that things are behind. I know it's frustrating. I know you want the green card. I know you want to move ahead with your case, or you have filed for citizenship and you want the interview for citizenship and you want to do the oath ceremony. On the right side, I got a notification today that one of my cases who has successfully finished the interview for citizenship, the naturalization process, is getting an oath ceremony that's coming up. We haven't got the notice for it, but we just got notification. That notice meaning when and where it's going to be, but we got notification that it's going to happen. This is a Los Angeles case. So these things are happening. I'm optimistic it'll be happening for you as well if you have a case. Biometrics as well, the fingerprinting, they're starting to open up, but we'll see what happens. And when you go there, you'll have to wear a mask. They've said you can only come in 15 minutes before your interview. They don't want people crowding in the small offices that are there. So there's a lot going on. If you go to uscis.gov, the explanation is there. But that's the most up-to-date news that there is. It's very general, not specific, so you'll have to see what happens. So let's get to questions.